Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am discussing some important question in indefinite integrals. They are asking easy question only, but they are asking in different way with some conditions. See that let f of x be the primitive of 3x plus 2 by root x minus 9 with respect to x. If f of 10 equal to 60, then find the value of f of 13. So first, what condition is given that you have to write? Given f of x be the primitive of 3x plus 2 divided by square root of x minus 9 with respect to x. The meaning of primitive of f of x, that is f of x is equal to primitive of means integration of the function 3x plus 2 divided by square root of x minus 9 with respect to x means dx. We know that how to evaluate this type of integrals. F of x equal to integral 3x plus 2 by root of x minus 9 into dx. So to evaluate these type of problems, we know that one procedure, denominator under root of x minus is there. So under root value we can assume as t square. So put x minus 9 is equal to t square, and t in terms of x also you have to write t is equal to root x minus 9. In coming steps we are going to use this value t. Now x value make as a subject t square plus 9 and differentiate with respect to x. So dx is equal to 2t dt. X derivative is 1, t square derivative is 2t into dt by dx. Dx we are taking this side. So directly we are writing the value of dx. After that come to the question, which is equal to integral 3 into, in place of x substitute t square plus 9 plus 2 divided by root x minus 9. Root x minus 9 is equal to t. Now directly you can write as t here into dx value is 2t dt. Here t get cancelled. 2 constant you can take outside, which is equal to 2 into integral 3t square plus 3 into 9 27 plus 2. So it will become 29 into dt. Now normal integration 2 into, keep bracket, 3 into integral t square dt, that means t cube by 3. So here 3 get cancelled, plus 29 into integral dt is t plus c. So multiply each and every term with 2, it will become as 2 into t cube plus 29 into 2 is 58 into t plus c. This is the value of f of x. F of x in terms of t is there, but I want to write f of x in terms of x. So f of x equal to 2 into root t value is x minus 9 under root. So x minus 9 under root whole power 3 plus 58 into square root of x minus 9 plus c. How to get the value of c? By using the condition, since f of 10 is equal to 60. Since f of 10 is equal to 60. So here f of 10, x is equal to 10, substitute in this. 2 into root 10 minus 9 whole cube plus 58 into root 10 minus 9 plus c. F of 10 value is 60 is equal to 2 into 10 minus 9, 1 under root. Root 1 is 1 cube. So ultimately it will go as 1. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 58. Here also 10 minus 9, 1. Root 1 is 1 plus c. So here 60 get cancelled. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. Substitute in f of x. C is equal to 0. Then the value of f of x is f of x equal to 2 into square root of x minus 9 whole cube plus 58 into square root of x minus 9. C value 0, no need to write here. C value is 0, we proved that. Now they are asking to calculate f of 13. That means x is equal to 13, substitute in this. 2 into square root of 13 minus 9 whole power 3 plus 58 into square root of 13 minus 9, 2 into root 13 minus 9, that means root 4. Root 4 means 2. 2 cube, which is equal to 8, plus 58 into root 13 minus 9, root 4. Root 4 equal to 2. 2 8 is 16, plus 58 into 2, 116, which is equal to 132. Therefore, the value of f of 13 is equal to 132, which is there in the option third. Thank you, dear students, for watching my videos. If you like and if you want to share these videos, you can share, and please do subscribe. And is there any doubts in this regard, please write to my inbox. I will respond in proper time. Thank you very much.